It's not time to step aside. Opposition leader Portia Simpson-Miller dismisses calls for her to give up the PNP presidency. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Perseus.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Peter Bunting says he's interested in leading the PNP.
Over 150 Jamaicans refused entry into Trinidad and Tobago this year. The PSOJ wants the government to act.
Hundreds of call center workers locked out.
And in the business day, Digicel says its cable TV subscribers doubled in 2 months.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking, do you support the call for a boycott of goods from Trinidad and Tobago in light of how Jamaicans are treated in that country?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package continues right after this break.